Hello guys, welcome to my channel Codewood. So in this video I'm gonna discuss with you guys about the difference between Git Rebase and Git Merge. So I generally notice people get a little bit confused in these two commands, and yeah, this is a little bit scary in the starting, but let me share with you the trick and the exact difference, so the next time when you work with the Git you will not get confused. So let me share my screen. Okay, I hope it's visible. Yeah, it's visible. So what exactly it is? So first of all, let's understand the Git merge. So let's say this is the mm, mm, mm. Okay. Let's say this is the main branch and this is a feature branch. So first of all, I'm assuming you have already know the Git. I'm recording this video to just clarify the difference between Git rebase and Git merge. So this is a Git main branch and this is a Git feature branch. So what exactly is feature branch? Feature branch is something you made a new branch basically from the main branch, and right now you're working on the feature branch. I'm assuming in this scenario. So I'm assuming we are working in this feature branch, and let's say in this branch we made two commits. The first commit is here, the first, and the second commit is here. Now this is the time we want to showcase our work and we want to merge our changes into the main branch. So we just write the command git merge main when you obviously when you are on the feature branch otherwise it will not work. So when you write git merge main, so it will merge your command, your changes into the name this branch, main branch, and it will create one new commit here, c dash. Here I have already written c dash as a commit. Now this c dash has the history of both main branch and the feature branch, right? So this is exactly git merge works. Now what exactly is git rebase? So this is a little bit different. I have already this. So let's say this uh, let me draw some merge here. Okay, so we have the merges here obviously already. This is the first commit and this is the second commit, and this is my you know git main branch, right? Git main branch, and this is the feature branch. So now if I try to run rather than the git merge, if I try to run git rebase main onto the feature branch, so what exactly it does, it will directly uh, save the history of these commits in the as a linear commit. So now what would be the picture if I run this git rebase? So, so let me this is the feature. Okay, again, yeah. Now this is the time where we got to see the changes. Now this is the first commit, this is the second commit. Now here we have g dash, oops, g dash. Now our head pointer would be here, and these are the two commits, this one, first and two. So what is the difference? So when we run the git rebase, it basically merge commit your changes onto the on the head of the main branch. So when I try to run this command, when we looks the tree of this you know git branch, so it exactly shows basically key. Now we have the linear commits, we don't need to check out to that particular branch, we can directly see those changes. In this case, if we see, so we can see the commits we are getting extra committing. So obviously we are putting extra commit like the first commit, second commit, and when we merge this branch into the new into the main branch, so obviously at that time we have to make one more commit. Now if I want to see the changes, all those changes, I have to check out on that branch. But I can see here, yeah, we are getting some changes from that particular branch. But what kind of changes? So this is the basically creating commits in the two different branches. This is a main branch, this is a feature branch, but I want to see the changes, all those changes as a linearly no in a single tree. So we can use git rebase, but make sure when you run this command, you would be definitely not onto the main branch, otherwise there will be some conflicts and your tree will be, you know, I can't explain. So you should definitely be not onto the main branch. Always run this command when you are on the feature branch, okay, or someone else branch. So yeah, this is the key. Hell, this is a feature of this is a property of Git rebase. There is one more another property of Git rebase. Let me share the scenario. Let's say this is the main branch, and you have, you know, made one feature branch from this, and you have made some changes, and yeah, you are ready. You are ready, or you are ready to change your commits into the main branch. But let's say by the time you did, let's say you have some assignment to do and you took some time, and someone else already made some commits in this branch. Let's say this is the first commit, and let's say this is the second commit. Now when you you know, merge these changes into the main branch, let's say this is my main branch. Now if you try to run this main merge this, you know, feature branch into the main branch, your main head pointer is here. Yeah, so if you try to merge this feature branch into the main branch, so yeah, your changes will be reflected over there. But let's say someone let's say you have one button, and let's say you have changed the color of button into the green, and someone else also has changed the same button into the green. Now before, if you merge these changes, so if you both merge these changes, so when someone else will work in the future in this branch, in the main branch, he will say we have the two commits with the same name. Why? We should have only the one. So what we can do in that case, so before merging, every time when you merge your changes into the main, of always run git rebase main. So what other properties it has, basically it will show the other commits as well in the main branch, or the all commits in the main branch to you. So in this scenario, you made the branch from here, and when you made the branch, you obviously have the all commit whichever we had in the previous case, right? But when you made the branch, and after you're creating the branch, someone else, we also got some commits from someone else branches, right? Let's say we have one another branches, we got the changes merge commits from here, right? But you don't know what uh, when the time you are merging, so you don't know what other commits we have in the main branch. So what you do, you just run git rebase, and you'll get all those changes, all those commits into your. Now if you want to put, or you want to, you know, do any other changes, and you can see if someone else has already done those changes, you can ignore and you can remove those changes, and you can obviously put your changes with a different name. So that's how git rebase works. So we have the two properties of git rebase. First, if your main branch is ahead and you are a little bit back from the main branch, so you can take all those commits in the feature branch, and the one, you rather than making the two different history, you can make the one linear tree with the help of git rebase. But make sure never ever run this command on to the main branch. Okay, Yeah, this is the first advice, and this is a a very good advice I'm giving to you, because I've sometime in my projects I've run this command, so I know what exactly we got the problem. So yeah, thank you guys. That's it from my side for this video. See you in the next video.